Happy Valentine's Day! So here's something to love. The campaign to end the notorious PAGA, or Private Attorneys General Act, has hit a milestone. 25% of the signatures needed to qualify for the ballot have been collected. But this campaign needs your help right away, and we have quick, easy ways for you to take action. As a reminder, our growing coalition includes the California New Car Dealers Association, the Western Growers Association, the Manufacturing and Grocery Industries, and the California Chamber of Commerce. Here's what Cal Chamber President Jennifer Barrera said recently. Quote, California voters are signing our petition because this reform increases worker protections. The measure directs 100% of penalty payments for labor code violations to workers rather than to the state or trial lawyers. She's right. PAGA doesn't help workers in any meaningful way. As for what it does to employers, it's hard to find any in California that haven't been targeted by the shakedown lawsuits made possible by PAGA. The workers who bring a case generally receive tiny sums. The state gets some, and a third of the settlement amount goes to the plaintiff's lawyers. Here's what our president and CEO, Jot Condi, says, quote, state data proves that it can take years in the courts before an employee can get a ruling on their claim. Unfortunately, it's not the workers that get the big payout. The trial lawyers get millions of dollars, dragging proceedings out for years. The aim here is to replace PAGA. Our coalition is called Californians for Fair Pay and Accountability. You can learn more about it by going to our coalition website, cafairpay.com. Here is what the ballot measure would do if passed by voters. Instead of battling in court or threatening litigation, an employee with a grievance would take the issue to an independent state regulator, the California Labor Commissioner. If voters passed the act, the Labor Commissioner's office would have many more financial resources, $100 million more in state dollars to investigate an alleged violation of wage and hour laws in California. If money is awarded, it would go to the employee rather than be shared by the employee and the state or shared with the plaintiff's attorney. This would allow workers to continue to have a voice and a path forward in cases when a supervisor may be willfully violating labor laws. But it removes outside interests and leaves these matters for an independent state regulator to decide. In fact, the law would double the penalties currently on the books for employers who willfully violate the labor code. But again, that amount would go directly to the employee, not to outside interests. The proposal is also far better for employers who will no longer be subject to PAGA, which is abusive to the legal system and predatory to small businesses. This campaign will need your ongoing help in the coming months if this initiative is to go before voters. And we still have hundreds of thousands of signatures to collect. The longer that process takes, the more it costs, because our initiative will be competing with other initiatives for available signature gatherers. Those signature gatherers are paid per signature. Go to our website by using the link in the description below. There, you can donate to our Issues PAC. Full disclosure, our Issues PAC does not accept earmarked contributions for this cause only. It also supports other efforts that fight harm being done to the industry, like Assembly Bill 257 or the recent delay in implementation of Prop 12. But obviously, PAGA is top of mind for us this year. The new car dealers have agreed to match any contribution you make to this effort. So if you donate $1, $2 will go to the effort to reform PAGA. We are asking restaurants to contribute $10 per employee they have. And don't forget to visit the coalition website, where you can sign up to receive updates from the campaign as it moves forward. You'll also find that link below. Getting an initiative qualified for the ballot and then passed by voters are not small tasks. But we think voters would agree PAGA isn't doing what was intended, and it's hurting a lot of people. It needs to be replaced. I'm Sabrina. That's the news you need to know.